Hello students, I'm your math teacher Mudassir Ahmed. Today our topic is integer whole numbers. Those numbers which starts from 0 are known as whole numbers. For example, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. Natural numbers. Those numbers which starts from 1 are known as natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Even numbers. Those numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 or multiples of the 2 are known as even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, so on. Odd numbers, those numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 or which are not multiples of 2. For example, 1, 3, 5, so on. Turn on next slide. Prime numbers. Those numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5. If we find the factors of 2, 3, 5, there are only two factors. It should be 1 and the number itself. Composite numbers. Those numbers which have more than two factors. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, so on. Now, integers. All positive and negative numbers, including 0, are known as integers. For example, negative numbers are -1, -2, -3, so on. 0, 1, 2, 3. Here are positive numbers, negative numbers, and 0. These all are known as integers. We will now study the properties satisfied by the addition and the subtraction. The first property. Integers are closer for addition and subtraction both. That is, a plus b and a minus b are again integers, while a and b are in any integers. For example, 2 is an integer and 3 is an integer. If we add them, 2 plus 3, it becomes 5. 5 is also an integer. 5 is another integer and 1 is integer. If we subtract them, the result is 4. 4 is also integer. That means integers are closed under subtraction and addition both. Second property, addition is a commutative for integers. That is, a plus b is equal to b plus a for all integers a and b. Third one, addition is associative for integers. That is, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c for all integers a, b, and c. Integers show some property under multiplication. First one is integers are closed under multiplication. That's a into b is an integer for any two integers a and b. Second one, multiplication is a commutative for integers. That's a into b is equal to b into a for any integer a and b. For example, 2 is an integer, 3 is also an integer. 2 into 3 is equal to 3 into 2. Both are equal to 6. It doesn't matter you reverse the order. First one was 2 into 3. It is equal to 3 into 2. That is equal to 6. This property is known as the commutative property for multiplication. Third one, the integer 1 is the identity under multiplication. That is 1 into a is equal to a into 1. That is equal to a for any integer a. If you multiple 1 by any integer, for example, if you multiple 1 by a, it should be always equal to a. Fourth one, multiplicative is an associative for integers. That's a into b into c is always equal to a into b into c for any three integers a, b, and c. Under addition and multiplication, integers show a property called a distributive property. That is a into b plus c. That is always equal to a into b plus a into c for any three integers a, b, and c. Move on next slide. Now we will take few examples how to multiply the integers. For example, if you have to find the following products, the first one is 3 into minus a. How we will do the product? First we have to multiply their signs. Here 3 is a positive integer and minus 1 is a negative integer. First we multiply their signs. Here it is plus into minus. It becomes minus. Then multiply the numbers. That's 3 into 1 is equal to 3. The result is minus 3. B part. When both integers are negative, that's minus 316 into minus 1. What we have to do? We have to multiply their signs first. Here it is minus into minus. When you multiple minus into minus, it becomes plus. Then 316 into 1 is equal to 316. The third one is minus 3 into minus 6 into 2 into minus 1. How you multiple these four integers? First you will multiple first 2, then second 2. We will multiple first minus 3 and minus 6. Here minus into minus is plus, 3 into 16 becomes 18, then 2 into minus 1. 2 is positive and minus 1 is a negative, plus into minus becomes minus, 2 1 are 2. Then we have to multiple 18 and minus 2. First we will multiple their signs. That's minus into plus, it becomes minus, 18 into 2 are 36. Understood? Now we'll take another example. Verify the followings. We have to verify left hand side should be equal to right hand side. Here left hand side is equal to 18 into long bracket 7 plus common bracket minus 3 common bracket close long bracket close. That should be equal to long bracket 18 into 7 long bracket close plus long bracket 18 into common bracket minus 3 common bracket close long bracket close. How we solve it? First we will solve the left hand side and then right hand side. Left hand side should be equal to the right hand side. We have to use here Bottom's rule. That means first we have to solve the interior brackets according to Bottom's rule. Here 18 into, first we will solve the interior bracket, that's common bracket. Here it is 7 plus into minus 3 becomes minus 3 long bracket close. Then 18 into long bracket 7 minus 3, it becomes 4. Then 18 into 4 are 72. This one is the left hand side. Left hand side is equal to 72. Now take the right hand side. It's 18 into 7. When you multiply 18 into 7, it becomes 126, and plus 18 into minus 3. Minus into plus is minus 18, 3 are 54. Now 126 plus into minus is minus 54. When you subtract 54 from 126, it becomes 72. Both sides are equal. That's left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence, verify. Thank you. Have a nice day.